Evening folks, and welcome to this demonstration of my Seiko C359-5000. This is a watch from 1978, and I think it was Seiko's second calculator watch, and it's my first Seiko that I've done a demo of, and I'm very impressed, I must say, with the build quality of this watch. The cases and strap are all made from stainless steel, and unlike Casios of the same vintage, and in fact subsequent Casios, where they have all the electronics are within a plastic module inside the watch. So you've got the watch case with the buttons and then the module inside and a back. The Seiko has, obviously it's got the case and buttons, but if you take the back off, all of the bits inside it aren't held together in a plastic module. They're kind of held in separately. And so if you took the back off, all sorts of bits could fall out. So to prevent that happening when you need to change the battery, you've just got a little battery compartment hatch there for changing the battery, which is a nice feature and a necessary one. So this is a calculator watch, as you can tell from the buttons on the front there, and they are tiny. If you thought the TC600 was fiddly, this is far worse. And you really do need some sort of pointing device to operate them. So I'll just show you how the calculator works. You press the bottom left button there to go into calculator mode, and I'll just do a sample calculation. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 6, 7, 8, 9 equals 8023. And one thing I noticed about this watch, which I remember from when I was younger, is it's actually quite slow to do its calculations. The TC600 seems to come up straight away with the answer, whereas the Seiko has to have a bit of a think about it. And it reminds me of happy days having calculator races when I was younger at school, seeing whose calculator was the fastest. So you've got the buttons on the number buttons there. You've got the 4 arithmetic operators there, a decimal point button and an equals button. And this button there does cancel, and the bottom right hand button there does a percentage operation. So that's pretty much it for the calculator. You press that and we're back into time mode. In time mode you can see the date by pressing the top button there, and it's the 10th of September and it's PM, and it's a Saturday, as you can tell by the little marker above the SA. The bottom left button shows what the alarm is currently set for, 7:15 PM. And the alarm symbol is quite interesting on this watch, the way it works compared to a Casio. You've got the familiar sort of speaker with the sound waves coming out symbol, and if that's on like that, that means the alarm's on. And if you do that again, oops, and it goes to flashing, that means the alarm and the hourly chime are on. And if you press it again, that's it, they're both off. So I don't think you can set the hourly chime on its own just to go off. You also have to have the alarm as well. And to the various different modes of the watch, you've got time mode, calculator mode, alarm setting mode, time setting mode, and then back to normal time. And finally, last but not least, you've got a little light, which is a nice bright one actually, and it's in the middle of the screen, so you get a good illumination. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this one. Thanks for watching. Bye.